Hi, welcome back to Van Life in Doris. Hope you're enjoying the content. Please do like and subscribe to the videos. It will help you to better understand what you're interested in seeing accomplished with Doris for the future. We will be doing the interior build very soon, so enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, back at the van that keeps on giving. So, first job, we have to take that back off because somebody made a boo-boo when they ordered it.
Sorry guys, occasionally you're going to see my arm getting away of the camera. Still new to this, apologies.
And ordered the wrong one with the wrong studs. So now we need to put on different studs, which you'll see in a minute. So, quickest way to get it off is to remove the caliper and the disc pads all in one. These are two 15mm bolts. This is the van that keeps on giving, or taking, shall I say. Yep, that's Mr. Parr, the transit whisperer. He's in playing today as well. Give me a hand. I will show you the stud change in a sec. There we go. And that's off. Let's rest them up out of the way so that they're safe. Right. That 6mm bit to get it going. We are changing these today. Bits. And then my latest toy. You haven't got one of these, get one. So much easier. Changing gear discs. You just bump it up and it does all the hard work for you. Just like that. The other thing you got to be careful of so you don't lose that in a race there. Okay, one disc removed. Again. Okay, so the reason we're changing these in, different thread count to these ones. These are the correct ones from Transit, from Forge, not these ones. Buy cheap on eBay, get cheap on eBay. So to get them out, hammer, couple of 12s and that'll drop out the bottom. Disassemble the 5 and then it'll fall out the bottom. Right, impact gun T50, out it comes, simple as that, and then off it comes. So take out these expensive things from Ford, little hammer just to get them going again. And done. The next marvellous job, because they're the wrong size shank there, we've got to drill out the back side of the shanks to fit them. We'll show you that next. Okay, so drill process, 16mm drill bit, quick to start with, lubricate, have to lubricate otherwise the drill bit gets very hot. I would like to use a pillow drill, it would be far easier than holding on to this. So, get our depth gauge. You want to make sure you're down. Yeah, that'll do, 7.8. And then trusty coverall rag, because we like coverall rag. Lay out the swarf, stick it in. Big hammer. Sorry about the noise. And then seat it. And that is how you change your wheel studs. Downside is I've got another 8 to do to get them all right, because if I show you this one you can see that it's nowhere near being able to go in, so we have to keep going round, drill all the others, whack in the new studs, then the transit hub nuts, wheel nuts sorry, will fit, and we won't have this problem. My advice, rather than going to this trouble, these you can get from Transit Parts UK, I'll leave a link in the description below. My advice to you, don't buy cheap. If you're going to buy hubs, buy proper hubs. Like I said to you in the last video, I had to buy these ones because of the 44mm. This is actually for the Transit double axle. Bought cheap, get cheap. That's what happens. So, lesson learnt. Not one I'll repeat for when we do the front. I will buy proper Ford. I'm lucky enough to have this one from our company's workshops, like as a stand. Perfectly, as you can see, holds the hub in place. Don't buy cheap, people. Buy proper. They're good quality if the studs were the correct ones. Again, tip: check the studs before you put it all together. I didn't. This is what happens. There we go. Doris is up and running. As you can see. Tickly boost, sounds a bit tough to see at the minute until we get her running properly. Fronts are done. I've just got to put the bumper on, obviously. But front wheels are done, new brake pipes as you saw. Rear wheels and hubs are all back assembled, complete with new brake lines on the rear. So she is hot to trot, ready for her MOT now. We just need to run her properly, and then sneak preview we can do the interior. As you can see, we've started, but I'll show you more of that in a bit.